Hello everyone, it's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'm here to introduce a new workshop. This is a year-long workshop. It's working quarterly, and I want to talk to you all about it. It's called Cards, and let me just show you what that looks like. So this is the icon you want to look for if you're interested. It's called Cards, Boxes, and Bows. It's a workshop for all levels. This is the first time I'm doing cards, guys. If you have followed me from the beginning, you will know that I probably made one card that's here on YouTube. So I decided to venture into cards and give you guys what my point of view is on card making. And I hope you enjoy it. So first, I want to talk to you about why I didn't make cards. I didn't make cards because they are a labor of love. We do so many things for cards, and then the recipient receives it. It's the end of the life cycle of the card, and that's it. Most, I would say 50% of individuals keep their cards. Not all do, and that's just a fact, all right? But this ends the life cycle of the card. Just recently, I had really life-altering event happen, and I received tons and tons and tons of cards, including this one here, which solidified the inspiration for this project. This one was from my sister. And just by the way, thank you for all the cards, and there are dozens and dozens more. But I mean, these are works of art, guys. All right, works of art that now I cannot part with these. So then I got this one from my sister. I sent my sister this card. It says to my sister back in 98. She was cleaning out her closet and she stumbled upon this card, and this is when she left from Florida. She went back to New York, my oldest sister Elba. We can't even remember, I can't remember why I sent this card to her, but this sentiment was so appropriate for what I was going through. She re-signed it and sent it back to me and redated it, and you can look at the date right there. As you can see, here's my original signature, and there my sissy sent it back to me with this photograph. We took this picture before she left. That's myself and my sisters here. There's one missing, but this is the one that sent it to me with a note, of course. So I had this idea and I'm like, it may not be cool, but anyway, this solidified it for me. So this is how Send It Forward Cards was born. These are cards that you can send forward. So it's called Send It Forward Cards, of course, by Paper Phenomenon. And it is a card kit club that you will get a series of cards along with a storage box at the end of the quarter. So you will make these things. And Send It Forward Cards is unique because you get to make these beautiful cards and then you get to send them forward. And how, you ask? Well, on the inside, and this is just one design. I have several designs that I'm going to share with you throughout the quarters in upcoming card kit clubs. And this one opens up like this, inspired by a policy envelope. And this is where the Send It Forward idea comes in, where you have a pocket on the inside of the card and a see-through pocket, an acetate pocket, which will allow you to add the sentiment to the card. The recipient gets to enjoy the card, read your sentiment, just enjoy all of the beauty of the card, and then they get to reuse it. They can send it forward. So the end of the life cycle of the card does not end with the first recipient. You can go on and send it and send it and send it forward as many times, as long as it still looks good. So you can imagine how a beautiful card, I mean, look at this card, where you can tell there's so much, just all of them, so much artistry in them. You can now send these forward where appropriate, guys. And I'm just really excited to bring this all to you guys. So all of my cards will have a pocket in them, and it's going to be different style pockets for each card. This one has this one in particular here. And I take the tutorial, and the videos will take you through this whole process and to make the storage box. So each quarter you will have a unique storage box to that quarter, and a unique set of Send It Forward cards, which will have this unique design, pocket design in the card, which will allow you to recycle the card, if you will. You can use it over and over and over. All you have to do is supply an envelope, and we all can make envelopes. There's a million and one tutorials on envelopes. We all probably have the We Are Memory Keepers envelope punch board, etc., etc. So this sweet card, once again, inspired by a policy envelope, I went ahead and did this one up. Uh, what I like to call paper phenomenon style, guys, and I hope you love it. I hope you all love the send it forward idea or premise behind these cards, and I hope you all take part in this. I know you are going to love it. If you are anything like me, or you've made this card and you're like, gosh, it's so gorgeous, or you received a card and you're like, gosh, it's so gorgeous, how can I part with it? You don't have to anymore. Someone else can enjoy it. You can send it forward, and it will just bring happiness to another individual. Again, cards, boxes, and bows, but the premise or the idea behind the paper phenomenon cards are the send it forward cards, which you see right here. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and until next time.